Today we will get to know about the difference between refrigeration and cooling process. Generally, we are having doubt the difference between cooling and which process is refrigeration. In a refrigeration process, as we can see, we have to make the temperature lower down before ambient temperature. Means if you are lowering temperature below ambient temperature, that process is known as refrigeration process. But in cooling process, it is not hard and fast rule that the temperature should be lower down below ambient temperature, like from 80 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, or from 25 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. Now we are having a final conclusion that all refrigeration process is cooling process, but all cooling process is not refrigeration process. अर्थात जितनी भी रेफ्रिजरेशन प्रोसेस है वो सब कूलिंग प्रोसेस है, सभी कूलिंग प्रोसेस रेफ्रिजरेशन प्रोसेस नहीं होती. I hope that you have got to know the difference between the refrigeration process and cooling process.